Filming.
Okay, so this video is to show you a really good way to heat up leftover baked potatoes. As you can see here, we've got some leftover, very nice looking baked potatoes, and I've already took one, and split it in half, okay? I'm just going to take that and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. That's just strictly to heat the middle of it so you can make sure it gets hot all the way through, okay? And in the next video, I'll show you how to fry it.
2, go.
Okay, so we heated this up for 30 seconds in the microwave, and I've already taken some butter, as you can see, and put it in this pan here, and it's pretty hot. I've got my burner a notch above medium. I'm going to take the potato and put it the potato side down. Ouch. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to let that fry for a little while, and in the next video I'll show you what it should look like when it's done.
Filming.
Okay, so our potatoes are done. What I meant to say in the other video was, if you don't have a non-stick pan, that's fine. Just put a lot of butter down and it should take care of it. But if you do have one, it's best to use a non-stick pan because you'll get most of the crust. Okay, so here's how you know that it's done. It's a nice brown. It's not burnt brown, but it is a dark brown, which will make a really good crisp crust. So from there, you just put it on your plate, and you can eat it just like that. I would suggest a lot of salt. You can eat it just like that, or you can fix it up like a regular baked potato, which is what I'm fixing to do. But either way, this makes for a really great way to heat up leftover baked potatoes.